All right, I'm going to show you a piece that I'm working on, and I'm going to show you also how to use what's called the score system divider. Okay, so I'm just going to play this first so you can get detail of my music. Let me stop share and do a new share, and then let's do this. We just keep on going. All right, so let's say that's our little melody there. Let's assume we wanted to add more measures. So what you would do, first go to Window, click Main Tool Palette, make sure you have the arrow selected, the cursor, click the measure, the last measure of this piece or your piece, and click Control click in Mac or secondary click in Windows, add measures, and I'm going to say add 40 measures to this. I'm just going to throw a number. Okay, so we have our 40 measures. Now let's say we have, let's say we want to capture all the woodwinds. So what we're going to do is we're going to go like this, and we're going to select all the woodwinds. We're going to go up to Plugins, Note, Beam, and Rest Editing, I believe, is where the system divider is. If it's not there, it's in the scoring and arranging. So do that. Click Score System Divider. And then what you're going to have is the System Divider dialog box will come up. So you can choose first and last staff to be where the break happens, between staff system boundaries for the thing to happen. And I'm going to go from page, what is this, 8 to 10. And then I'm going to go ahead and click OK.